Birthday cake chocolate bars are so easy to make and one of my favorite ways to flavor chocolate. The rainbow sprinkles add a colorful sweet crunch that leaves you wanting more. Watch and I'll show you how to make them. First, melt a half pound of Merkin's candy coatings in the microwave 20 seconds at a time. Grab a chocolate bar mold and add a half teaspoon of cake batter LorAnn candy flavoring. This will thicken the chocolate, so next you'll add 1 to 2 teaspoons of Paramount crystals to thin it back out. Now for the fun part, add a 1/4 cup of rainbow sprinkles and stir. Spoon into a chocolate bar mold and tap the mold onto the countertop to bring air bubbles to the surface and spread the melted chocolate out. The chocolate will easily release from the mold on its own once the chocolate sets up, so there's no need to grease the mold or do any special prep work. If you don't love cake batter flavor, you can flavor these chocolate bars however you'd like using LorAnn flavoring oils. Continue working to fill all of the cavities, and then once they're all filled, place in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes or until the chocolate bar is easily removed from the mold. And then if you want to be extra, go ahead and wrap your chocolate bars in our candy foil wrappers to make them shine. There is nothing more magical than unwrapping a chocolate bar from a gold candy foil wrapper. You can get all the supplies you see here at confectioneryhouse.com.